Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez Mamasigari Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of March 2025 for the sign of Pisces. So Pisces, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Pisces ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey din namang hindi na't makaka-resonate. Kung lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos update. Because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads, saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Pisces? So let's see and watch this. Angel Spirit, please give me information paano kayo gusto sabihin sa ng ating mga baraha. So kung tuklasin at bubulabugin natin yan, Angel Spirit, please give me information po. Okay, so this is something, the lovers. So it's all about love life. May tungkol sa pag-ibig. And this is something, the Five of Cups, disappointment. Now, may mga pagsisisi, panghihinayang sa nangyari sa iyo dito, sa sitwasyon mo, na maaaring napanghinayangan mo or parang nasayang mo. And there's something, the Queen of Coins, being practicality. So, kailangan na maging practical ka pagdating sa finances. Pangalagaan, proteksyonan mo ito. There's an Ace of Wands for a new project and new plan. So, magkakaroon ka ng mga bagong plano dito. No? Magkakaroon ka ng bagong proyekto, bagong trabaho. And of course, there's a new opportunities and new beginning. And there's a Knight of Wands for slowly but surely. Na maging mahinahon ka, huwag ka magiging padalos-dalos sa mga kilos at galaw mo. Now, even your decision, kailangan mong siguraduhin na itong plano mo ay maaaring may sa katuparan mo. Kumbaga, kailangan titignan mo yung disadvantage and advantage ng isang situation. And there's a Three of Swords in reverse. So, this is something, getting away from a situation, from heartbreak, or either moving forward, no? Recovery. Na para matatapos na itong sakit, kirot, no? At mga hindi magagandang nangyari sa nakaraan, mga pinagdaanan. What is the lovers? Represent what? I think gusto ko i-clarify with the lovers. And there's something, the judgment. No, paalala. There's a wake-up call for you. Na binibigyan ka ng paalala at babala, no, about sa love life. And there's something, the Ace of Cups. No, there's something, a new love coming in for you. Na magkakaroon dito ng bagong pag-ibig. If you are being married, kumbaga may tao ka nagugustuhan. No, kumbaga nagkakaroon ka ng doubt or fear na pumasok sa isang eksena. Or either, kumbaga nawawalan ka na ng gana, no, sa iyong karelasyon or asawa. No, I think, guys, pinapaalalahanan ka na mag-pay attention ka dito. No? Kumbaga, kasal kayo o may anak kayo, ganyan-ganyan. Kumbaga, kailangan na pangatawanan mo ito. No? Umiwas ka sa mga tukso. There's a Queen of Coins represented with a King of Coins. So, this is something, a practicality, and there's a good sense pagdating sa entrepreneur. No? Ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mapag-usapan nyo about sa finances. Isa sa nagiging problema dito yung pera. No? What is the Ace of Wands? The Ace of Wands represented with the Six of Wands for the victory is yours. Magiging matagumpay ka dito, no, sa trabaho mo. Maganda ang trabaho mo na. Maganda na yung position mo. What is the Knight of Wands? Represent with the Two of Wands. Choices. Napiliin mo yung mga bagay-bagay na talagang makakatulong sa'yo. Kumbaga, kailangan dahan-dahanin mo yung mga desisyon mo sa buhay. No, kailangan pag-iisipan mo mabuti ito. Hindi dapat padalos-dalos. And there's something, the Three of Swords in reverse. Represent with Page of Coins, investment. No? Kumbaga, invest wisely. Ano ba talaga yung purpose mo? No, if you are there in international, ano ba talaga yung purpose mo? Bakit andyan ka? Diba? Para magtrabaho. Hindi para humarot or something, no? Kumbaga, nandun ka sa point na parang nagkaroon ka ng homesick or something, na mismo tong tao na to, na mismo yung asawa mo, hindi susi or hindi sagot yung gumaga humarot ka or gumawa ka ng pagkakamali. There is something, the Lovers and the Judgment. Represent what? Represent with the Sun card. There's a pure positive outcome, no? Unti-unti magliliwanag at maliliwanagan ka sa lahat na nangyayari sa'yo. Pinapaalalahanan ka na masasaktan ka pag sinubukan mong gumawa ng hindi magandang eksena. What is the Five of Cups? Because the Ace of Cups. So this is the Four of Wands, celebration. Na magkakaroon ka ng celebration, homecoming, family gathering, or either there's something in twin flame energy with your love life, no? Maaring, kumbaga itong person mo, maaring twin flame kayo, soulmate kayo. Now, there's an 11-11 represent. Or either, guys, no, some of you guys, parang, kumbaga, meron pa ako nasagap na energy dito na yung asawa mo nagloloko, which is nasa ibang bansa ka. Tapos, meron ka nakilala dyan na panibagong tao na talagang totoong nagmamahal sa'yo. Na parang nangihinayang ka na sa relasyon na binuo mo. No? What is the Queen of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles? So, represent with the Four of Pentacles. So, this is something saving money. Protect your power, protect your energy. Maging practical kapag dating sa finances. So, let's see what is the Ace of Wands because the Six of Wands. Represent with the Seven of Swords. There's a snake and a cheating eye on you. Mag-iingat ka, no? About sa trabaho, meron diyang hihingi ng pabor. Meron ditong mangungutang sa'yo pero hindi magbabayad. Mag-ingat ka po. What is the Knight of Wands versus the Two of Wands? Represent with the Five of Wands. So, something complication, no? Meron bagay dito na kailangan piliin mo. No? Napiliin mong mabuti. Busisiin mo na mabuti. Dahil itong bagay na to, magiging komplikasyon to sa'yo pag hindi mo pinag-isipan ng maayos at wasto. The Three of Swords in reverse, there's a Page of Pentacles. Represent with that Ten of Swords. Sabotage. No? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, invest wisely. Matuto kang mag-invest, no? Ng, kung ano man yung magbibigay ng growth and expansion sa'yo, hindi yung panandalian lamang. Naka-recover ka na sa ganito, tapos parang there's something at second chances or second time around na mauulit-ulit yung ganun scenario na maaring mabudol ka. Mag-ingat ka po. What is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome is the Seven of Wands. Protect your power, protect your energy. And there's a Strength card. Kailangan mo maging malakas, maging matibay. Kailangan mo lakasan ang loob mo. No? And there's an lakasan ng kumpiyansa o taasan mo yung kumpiyansa mo. There's an ease of pause with a big money and big opportunities. So, ibig sabihin, may malaking offer dito sa'yo na kailangan mong lakasan ng loob mo. No? Proteksyonan mo yung sarili mo. Maraming mga taong i-discourage ka para hindi mo makuha yung opportunities na yan. Pero dapat alam mo sa sarili mo yung growths mo. Hindi ka dapat nagpapa-apekto sa mga tao na yan. Additional messages tayo for finances and career. Some of you guys nakakaranas sa financial loss or financial crisis, even poverty. And there's something that won't call for a truth reveal. Malalaman mo na kung bakit kayo nagkakanda hirap-hirap. Kahit anong pagpupusigit, pag susumikap mo, bakit hindi kayo makausap? Bakit? Kasi may misteryo sa likod niyan. No, what is the additional messages? So, there's a Five of Swords in reverse. No? Meron ditong hindi patas sa eksena na to. Meron talagang gumagawa ng hindi maganda sa'yo para pamagsakin ka. For love life, represent what? Alam mo guys, nakikita ko ang laki ng inggit sa'yo. And there's a star, represent a wish fulfillment. So, if you are being single, kung gusto mong kumbaga hinihiling mo magkaroon ka ng love life, magkaka-love life ka. If you are being separated, kumbaga sinasabi dito, maaaring magkabalik ka kayo ng person mo. If you are being married, kumbaga sinasabi dito, magkakaroon ka ng healing with a family issue. And this is something the devil card. Na mag-ingat lang, there's something temptation. Meron talagang tuso at tukso dito. Kaya layuan mo ito. Let's see what is additional messages. And there's a Six of Cups, especially with your friends, especially with your ex. No, there's an ex coming back, no? But meron ka ng current relationship. So, paano mo to ima-manage, di ba? Kumbaga may asawa ka na may asawa ka na pero bumabalik pati itong nakaraang nakarelasyon mo. Ay, may ganon. So, let's see additional messages with an angel spirit. For health, sa health mo, there's a Page of Swords, no? There being curiosity. Tuklasin mo kung ano talaga nararamdaman mo. And there's a Ace of Swords with a breakthrough. Magtatagumpay ka. Oh my God, ginawan ka ng sakit dito, ha? And of course, ang laki ng energy or malaking percentage nito is an 99% na ang gumagawa is your ex. Ganon. So, let's see, guys, no? What is additional messages with an angel spirit for magical fairy messages? Represent what? For magical fairy messages represent Alam nyo guys, ilang beses ko akong nag-attempt mag-reading ng Pisces, pero napuputol, no? Then of course ngayon, parang this is the moment para ma-complete ko na yung reading. So, kumbaga gumawa ulit ako ng panibagong eksena. So, ito na nga, pinakita na kaya pala ayaw dahil may lalabas na gantong senaryo, no? Na may gumagawa pala sa'yo at ex mo pa. Or either a friend of yours. Hindi siya matahimik, hindi siya mapakali. Ginagawan ka. And there's an expression individuality. So, kailangan mo ng protection dito. Dapat alam sa sarili mong roles mo. Hindi to titigil, Madam Sir, na masyado siyang greedy. No? Ito yung the devil card is a greedy. For his or her power. No? Kaya kailangan mag-ingat ka po. What is the yin and yang oracle card? And there's a Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, no? Some of you, baka ito yung sign nila. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. And there's a contract, career, or commitment. Or either, para sa madaling salita, binayaran. And there's a freedom. Pero makakalaya ka na for this scenario, guys, no? For this pattern. For this cycle. So, let's see what is the synchronicities to represent what. For synchronicities, there's a something intuitions, no? Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. And there's a sister. No, maaring kumaga related dito yung sister or yung ginawa, kumaga tinuring mo siyang kapatid. May ganong scenario dito. And maaring gumagawa dito ay kapatid niya. And there's a storyteller or kapatid mo. And there's a storyteller. Meron ditong kumaga may kwento eh. No, ibig sabihin dito mahaba itong storya kung bakit ito nangyari. And this is something a soulmate connections, no? May soulmate connection dito, guys. Let's see what is the Romance Angels for a Mystic Love Oracle deck represent what. Mahabang kwento daw to, madam, tong nangyari sa'yo. Ibig sabihin kaya to ginawa, may mga lihim pa yan. And there is a divine intervention. Na pinapalalahanan ka ng ating gabay na you need to pay attention. And this is something twin flame. Double clarification, guys, ha. Ito pa, ang daming energy ako nasagap. Ang talagang may gumagawa talaga dito. It's an ex din, no? It's an ex pa talaga. Lakas ang energy ng ex dito na gumagawa. Na hindi niya matanggap na pinagpalit or meron ng asawa ang dating mahal niya, ganon. And there is something, a secret admirer, see? So, there's a secret admirer, no? Meron dito yung lihim na pagtingin, no? At there's a calling from them, no? Kumbaga meron ditong tumatawag pa to, pero kumbaga nagbaback and forth, no? It's either pinapatay ng asawa mo or yung call, yung tawag, ganon. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's a clarify, no? There's a cleansing. Kailangan mo mag-cleansing, guys, no? And this is something trust and honesty. Na kailangan maging tapat at maging totoo sa sarili mo. And there's something choices. Piliin mo yung mga taong magbibigay ng growth and expansion sa'yo. So, some of you guys, baka ikaw to, no? Na may taong hindi makamove on yung ex mo. Kung hindi ex ng person mo, baka ex mo to. Some of you guys, crosswasher out there, no? Additional messages, so this is something eternal love. May everlasting promises talaga. Ibig sabihin dito talagang kayo talaga ng partner mo na hanggang sa dulo. And this is something honor and trust your feelings. Lagi ka makikinig sa gut feeling mo. And there's a goddess in charge. Nandito ang ating Panginoong ginagabayan ka. Oh my God, ang dami niyo pinagdaanan, guys. Na kayo, na hospital na kayo, then of course, nagpahilot na kayo, pero ang nangyari, hindi pa rin natuklasan, pero ngayon na ata nagpagamot ka eh. Pero nalaman mo na kung sino yung gumagawa. So, let's see what is the angel's answer. Represent what? And there's a yes. No, there's a yes. And there's a year from now. Ngayong taon na ito matatapos tong eksena o sigalot ng buhay mo. And there's a communicate clearly. Kailangan mo lang makipag-communicate ng maayos. Makipag-usap ng maayos for this eksena, no? Makipag-collaborate ng maayos para mapuntuhan o matapos na, no? What is the chakra messages? And there's a destiny to happen. Talagang nangyari talaga to dahil it's a God purpose, no? And of course, this is something, a destiny, and there's a confusion. Oh my God, no? Para subukin ka din, no? Mayroon dito talaga ginulo ang iyong pamilya, ang inyong pagsasama, and there's a release. Kailangan mo nang alisin at kailangan mo nang tanggalin yan. Oh my God, parang gusto nito ubusin kayo. Hindi lang pala kayong dalawa ng person mga nakakaramdam, pati mga anak nyo. No, may mga nararamdaman kayong kakaiba. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's a change, no? Unti-unti nang magbabago at mararamdaman mo na yung pagbabago. And there's a fear, no? May takot at pangamba ka dito. What is Arcangel Raphael messages for you? Arcangel Raphael messages for you represent caffeine free. So, umiwas ka sa mga kape, guys, ha? Masyadong acidic ka dito. No? May acid reflux ka and there's an avoid allergens. So, see? Umiwas ka sa mga alert. Alam mo nang masama sa'yo, pinipilit mo. Sige pang ininom mo. No? Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there is the cosmic heart with devotion. So, kailangan mo talaga ng dasalin. Kailangan mo ng dasal. Kailangan mo ng, kumbaga, magdasal, mag-devotion, or protection. And then you're not for everyone. So, there's something weirdness. No, parang kasi, ano ka dito parang akala nila mataray ka, akala nila masungit ka. Ganon ang tingin nila sa'yo. What is the Monsology? Ang dami kong energy na nasagap dito, guys, ha. Hindi lang siya meron ditong kapatid na gumagawa, meron din ditong kaibigan na gumagawa. And there's an adjustment are required. So, kailangan mo mag-adjust. And of course, the time to give, take time to breathe out. So, kailangan mo ng oras para huminga. No, hindi puro na lang problema. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's something of flowers. Now, there's something blooming or blossoming. Now, maaring lumago na, gumanda na ang sitwasyon. And there's a let go. Unti-unti ka na makakalaya sa situation. So, let's see what is the energy. Ibig sabihin, some of you guys na solusyonan na to. No, tinapos mo na to, nalaman mo na to. And there's an energy represented with a Corcanipia, kailangan mo ng fruit and vegetables. And there's a 6 Shakarikang helmet for surprises. For bulabog, pasabog, marami kang bagay pang matutuklasan. And there is something adjusted possibilities. May mga pinto ang magsasara, may mga pinto ang magbubukas opportunity for you. Kaya dapat handa ka. No? At kailangan palaban ka. What is the Romance Angels represent? What? Release your ex. Meron talaga, it's an ex is here. Talaga pinapakita na may ex dito and free yourself, no? Pakawalan mo na yung sarili mo from this scenario. No? It's time to take back controlling your life. What is the Jesus loving quote said? Diba? Laking factor ng X talaga. I told you. Release your... Diba? There's an X talaga. And of course, the Jesus loving quote said, "Ask and shall be given to you." No? Kung baga kailangan mo lumapit sa ating Panginoon para niya ibigay sa iyo yung mga bagay na para sa iyo talaga. Or instrumento ng ating Panginoon para tulungan ka. Kailangan mo lumapit sa Kanya, ha? Para maginhawaan ng isip mo. Para maliwanagan ang utak mo. What is an angel's number? Represent what? Angels number represent with the 1515, the big break. So, this is the moment, guys, no? Kumbaga, ito na yung panahon ng pagkakataon, an opportunity, help, extra cash, or other support is coming your way. So, keep going, have fun when performing your task. The most tremendous success comes from passion. All effort will be rewarded big time. So, see? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, guys, talaga magiging matagumpay ka. Ito na yung panahon at pagkakataon para tuklasin, para solusyonan ng mga problemang pinagdadaanan. What is the messages of life? And together in the light. So, see, kasama mo ang ating Panginoon tungo sa liwanag, and there's the eyes of the heart, no? Parang puso mo makakakita, no? Ng lahat ng mga pag-asa, or kumbaga, hayaan mo ang puso mo makakita ng totoong mensahe sa iyo ng ating Panginoon, kung paano Kanya tutulungan, kung paano Kanya ibabangon. I give thanks for all who enter my life. I understand we are all exactly who and where are supposed to be, and everyone contributes to each other personal growth. Every reaction from someone's from me is a gift from their soul to mine, meant to help me, free me my inner conflict today by focusing on my own development rather than others. Plus, I become one with the divine. So, see, alam mo sa sarili mo na kasama mo ang ating Panginoon at ang ating gabay para makalaya dyan, no, sa mga ginawa sa iyong negatibo. And there's an eyes of the heart. Today, I perceive the real beauty of my heart. Every person I meet with the eyes of the heart, I see behind the personality and focus on the energy of love that dwells beneath the surface. I am filled with a wonder and of the presence of the God in every one of us. The eyes of the heart allow me to see the divine shining everywhere. So, kung hindi mo tatanggapin sa puso mo lahat na nangyayari, hindi ka makakausap at hindi ka makakabangon. So, guys, this is the monthly gabay for the month of March 2025 for the sign of Pisces. So, Pisces, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a journey namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kung hindi lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And notification bell for more videos update ko. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksikilig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.